I'll take it from here.
I think I should stay. Your failure-success ratio has been a bit off lately.
Do not challenge my authority. The witness has spoken. He's entrusted me with the new cycle.
Yes. Though, I do wonder for how much longer. Don't you?
I will complete the immersion with Dr. Rayleigh. Alone. You have a plague to reconstruct. For your beautiful, uncertain cycle. Go. Now. Jennifer. It's good to see you again. The reports of your recent wellness were quite pleasing to me.
My wellness? Who told you that? Your spy?
Stacy was there to watch over you. Ensure your safety.
I'm tied to a chair. Epic fail.
Get her out of here. Dr. Rayleigh. We have unfinished business.
We're going on another trip to see the witness? Good. I can't wait to tell him about how I burned your virus and set you back years. Then I'm gonna tell him about how I've been taking out your messengers. 8 down, 4 to go. And I am gonna kill every last one of them. And then you.
You're important to him, not to me. Remember that. Now let's take a walk. We're walking through a red forest.
Moving right along. Footloose and fancy free. Wow. Ooh, ticky-tock, grab me. I'm a lawnmower. Look. You can tell me about the way I walk.
Jesus, Jennifer, I thought you were on your meds. I am.
Word of the witness. That's before September 2044.